Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please type in questions box, guys. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please write in questions box. Is my voice is clear to all of you? Yeah. Yeah. Right. Good afternoon, guys. Light. Not required. And right, sir. Just 2 minutes of time. All of you know, I want to create some environment related to our classes actually. Just give a minute of time. I'll start our session. Right. Just 1 minute. I will give clarity on it. What happened? No, it's okay, fine. Okay, please all of you take this link, right, either at least on your notes or maybe take an image of it. Okay. So what is the use of this particular link? Every day I'm going to type the notes, classroom notes. The total classroom notes will come to this link only. Every day we can open this link. We can watch the notes through this link. Okay. I'm going to type each and every word, each and every topic inside this document. So we can get this document through this particular link only. So in your mobile phone, if you want to open this, then what we have to do there? Drive anyway, that app is going to be available with you. Next one is what there? Google Docs app is available. By default, it has to be available in our mobile phone. In the case if it is not available, now try to install it. Google Docs app. Through this, we can open in mobile phone. Directly open this link in the browser, then we are able to get it directly in the web. So this is one thing directly I'm telling to you. You can utilize this link for the classroom notes completely. All right, sir, that's okay, fine. Then apart from this, right, one more small setup is required. Just 1 minute, give it minute of time. Has taken this link details, fine. One more minute. Okay. Now what I'm telling now. Now try to take this link also in our notes, not just classroom code. Try to take this classroom code in our notes. 7FZMO63. Take this classroom code. No, no, this is Java. Python demo you're expecting. 4 p.m., 4:30 p.m. This is Java demo. You, then for what classes we are looking there? Python classes. No, this is Java class. Yeah, then better to go to second floor. I think that class is going to be happen at fourth floor. Just try to inquire about. Yeah, Python class this them. Any of you are available like this? This is Java class, purely Java class. Okay, full stack Java class. All right, sir. Now, as clear, have you taken it now? All right, just 1 minute, guys. All of you know what I'm telling to you. I think all of you are having mobile phones, right? Just 1 minute. Open your mobile phones. 1 minute. Open your mobile phones and open Play Store. In Play Store, search for Classroom. App name is Classroom. Either Classroom or Google Classroom. Both are same. Search for Classroom or Google Classroom in your mobile phone. Okay, install it. It may take just a half second. Install it. Install Classroom app. Just I will wait up to the time. 1 minute or 2 minutes of time. Just install it. Google Classroom app. Okay, install it. After installation of that Google Classroom app, you are able to have some plus symbol, something else, plus a symbol. Okay, install it first of all. After that, you may get that plus symbol. If we click on it, join class, create class. Two options are coming there. Then we have to select join class. Okay, don't select create class. I created already class, but you have to join with my class. So select the join class. Directly you may get that option join class or create class, something else. Select a join class. When we select a join class, then it is asking what there, this classroom code. Enter this classroom code. Enter this classroom code. Only one time only we are going to do all these things, not every day. One time if I set up this, then we will move forward continuously. Okay, so open your mobile phone, go to the Play Store, search for classroom app, install it. After installation of it, it will ask you join class or create class. Select join class. In that join class, enter this code. Already you have taken this code, enter this code. Okay, can I close this classroom code? Can I close this? Right. Enter this classroom code. Okay. Yeah, meanwhile, if you access the link inside the classroom now, Google Classroom code, even this one also I am providing to you. 1 minute. Okay. All right, sir. So join classroom. There we have to join with that class. If you join with that, I'm giving an announcement inside that class, a small post. Now just check it whether you are getting that one or not. Okay. There's some message here I'm providing to you. Try to check with that. Right, so just as welcome message here are given, post are given already. Welcome message, post here are given. I think only less members have joined it. Not yet joined, all of you. Yeah, nice, good. All right, sir. Have we got notice there, notification? Have we got any notification or mobile phone? I think I created a post, right? I created a post. I think you got this post, right? Hello guys, just welcome to Durgasoft. Is clear? Yeah. There's that information here I'm telling to you. Yeah, not required to give any comment here. Just not required. It's okay. Just we can join with this. Now, what is the requirement of this channel I'm creating? Especially, the main intention of the channel is if I want to talk with you directly, if I want to talk with you directly, this is the best approach. This is the best channel. For example, if I want to give a message now, if this channel is not available, what I have to do there? I have to give intimation to my office people, then my office people have to send a message to you. It may take some time. But if it is a channel, directly in my mobile phone, I will give a message. Directly, you can get that message as a notification. One time, if you open it, then we are able to check it. If any information related to our schedules, if any information related to Java, if I find any articles about the Java, a technical, maybe if you want to go for some technical views, then definitely I'm going to give some help through this particular channel. Directly, I can communicate with you through this one. This is a direct information. If I send a message, within a half second, we are able to get the total information to you. So we can take it. Or else maybe in the case, in the positive way, if you want to talk with me, if you want to send some technical doubts, there maybe you can send, we can post it as a comment. Then at least I can view it and I can give some clarity on it, at least. Okay. But if you give any question there, immediately I may not be responded immediately. Why? Because as I'm in classes continuously right from morning to evening, at night at 9 o'clock, I used to check this message and everything. So wait up to the 9 o'clock. Or else maybe next day you may come to the class. Directly you can ask to me. inside the, or maybe after completion of the class, directly we can come to me. We can ask any type of content here now. It's okay, fine. Right, sir. I think so. I'm going to close this one, right? I think all of you might be registered with this Google Classroom. Okay. Then not only that, just we can leave it. Now the document link also we are given there. Just if we click on this document link, or if we copy as it is the document link inside the browser, you are able to see the current classroom notes also, right? So this is one point. Just one more minute. I'll start our demonstration. Just one more minute. Right, sir. Just 1 minute. I'll start it. Right, sir. And some details here I want to share with you. Today I required the demonstration part. Okay. Right, sir. Now, coming to the Java, coming to like what the Java courses, what we are going to understand the content here, Java. So I'm going to start the Java just as an introduction part. Then after that, last 15 minutes of time, I will discuss with you what we are going to provide part of the Java course, part of the full stack Java, what you are going to provide, what you are going to get behalf of this Durgasoft, from Durgasoft, all the points here we are going to understand clearly now. Right, sir. First of all, let me start the content. Last 15 minutes class is important. I'll give some commitments to you on this first day. You are going to understand them definitely. Okay. Right, sir. Now let's move on to this point here. Now the course is full stack Java, or maybe normal core Java, part of the full stack Java. Today I'm going to start introduction, the basic introduction here I'm going to provide. First of all, tell me how many parts are available inside the Java? What exactly the parts are available inside the Java, and who has provided the Java programming language actually? Which company has provided the Java programming language? If we come for this point, answer is very simple. Initially, Java programming language was provided by Sun Microsystems. Initially, Java programming language was provided by Sun Microsystems. That is a company name. How many versions of Java were available at present? No. How many Java versions are available at present here? What is the latest version of the Java? If you take it now, as per my knowledge, maybe month back I checked it. 1 month back I checked it. Java 20th version is the latest version. Meanwhile, I need to check once again 21st version is available in the market or not. I have to check it. But anyway, month back I checked it now. Java 20th version was the latest version. So Java 1.0 version to Java 20th version, we are having number of versions on Java. The latest version is what there? Java 20th version. It's almost the same as like what there. Even Android mobile phone we are using there. Android versions are introduced. What is the latest version of the Android? Android? No, 14. I think 14 is available already. Maybe some mobile phones are using Android 14. Okay. All right, sir. Android 14 is the version kernel. Okay, then how Android versions are coming? At each and every version, some new features are provided in the Android. In the same way, Java versions are available. Java versions are started from 1.0. Now at present, we are having what there? Java 1.20th version. Try to recognize this clearly. Fine. Java 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6 up to 1.6. Java was managed by Sun Microsystems. Up to which version of the Java? 1.6. Right from 1.7 version, right from Java 1.7 version onwards, Java Java was totally given to Oracle Corporation by Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems handovers the total Java, not only Java, all of the total Sun Microsystems handovers to what their Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation take over the total Sun Microsystems organization. By the time Java 7 version onwards, Java 1.7 version onwards, the total Java is going on under Oracle Corporation. At present, Java is a programming language. It is available with Oracle Corporation. Now at present, if I have any doubts on Java, then we used to contact with what people there? Oracle people. We should not contact with what? Sun Microsystems. No Sun Microsystems at present. Sun Microsystems is totally hand over to what their Oracle Corporation. Recognize this point clearly. Fine, that's nice. Okay, whatever it may be, there is a small history behind the Java versions and Java home, if you think about it. But how many parts are available inside the Java? What are the various parts are provided inside the Java? All right, as per our knowledge in general, we are thinking Java is available in three parts. What are the three parts which are available inside the Java? First one is core Java. First one is what there? Core Java. Second one is advanced Java. Second one is what there? Advanced Java. Advanced Java. And the third one is J2EE. Third one is what there? J2EE. This is in general the classification in Java, what we know, what we aware in general. Even before this class also we understood the same thing. In outside also the same culture, same conventions are going on. If you take any academic student, directly if you ask him, tell me the parts inside the Java, they used to say only these three parts in general: core Java, advanced Java, J2EE. This is wrong classification. This is created, manipulated division in Java. This is not the Java which was provided by Sun Microsystems. Sun Microsystems has not provided this division. This is only our created content. That's it. So this is wrong content. That's why I'm not going to include this wrong content. Okay, sir. Good. If it is a wrong content, sir, now first of all, tell me what is right division. What exactly the right parts are available inside the Java. Now, first of all, give that clarity. Now I'm going to talk about it. Now try to understand it clearly. The very first one, the very first part is what there? J2SE or Java SE. The very first part is what there? J2SE or Java SE. Okay, I will talk separately again. What is J2SE? What is the purpose of it? How to use this in our application development? Everything I will discuss with you later. But first of all, understand it. J2SE or Java SE. And the second one is what there? J2EE or Java EE. J2EE or what next one? No? Java EE. That is second one. Third one is what there? J2ME or Java ME. J2ME or Java ME. That's it. These are the three parts which are available inside the Java. This is the original classification inside the Java that was provided by Sun Microsystems. Which was provided by Sun Microsystems. Please guys, all of you now tell me how many parts are available in Java? Three parts. What are the three parts in Java? J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. That's very clear. Sir, I have a doubt actually. So if you observe the names J2SE, J2EE, J2ME, number 2 you have included here. Number 2 you have included. Do you have any separate meaning for this 2? Any significance for this number 2 inside this J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME? Yes, definitely. There is a significance. There is a significance for this number 2 inside the J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. What was that significance actually? All of you listen carefully. What I am telling to you. Observe carefully. As I said to you clearly, how many versions of Java is available? Up to Java 20th. Java 20th is the latest version. At present, whatever the Java here we are understanding, we are observing, we are having in Java programming language, whatever the Java we are having, out of this total Java, out of this total Java, 70% of the Java was introduced along with the Java 1.2 version. In Java 1.2 version only, 70% of the Java added to our Java programming language when compared with the present Java, what you are understanding. So, huge enhancements, more enhancements. The Java was totally redesigned almost all at 1.2, 1.2 version of the Java. To give significance for the second version of the Java, that number 2 was added in the Java name, that is J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. In the second version of the Java, more enhancements are provided. 70% of the actual Java was added in 1.2 and 1.2 version only. Because of that reason only, number 2 was included in the name J2SE, J2EE, and next one is what there? J2ME. All if you're getting it or not clearly, no? All right, sir. It's okay, fine. All right, sir. Now here, I want to know what exactly the purpose of J2SE, J2EE, and J2ME. What you are going to understand there. What is it J2SE first of all? I want to know some information about it. Yeah, don't worry. I will talk about it clearly. Try to understand it clearly. No, what is this J2SE actually? What you are thinking about J2SE? Let me give some points here. Observe carefully. The very first point, abbreviation first of all. What is J2SE? J2SE or Java SE. If we take it now, Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2, what there? Standard Edition. J2SE or Java SE is what there? Java 2 Standard Edition. Good, very clear. Java 2 Standard Edition. Then what is the purpose of it? What it will provide for us? Observe carefully. J2SE will provide only the fundamentals of the Java programming language. Java programming language. Only, it will provide only the fundamentals of the Java programming language. It will not provide the complete Java. Simple point. If J2SE is providing the total Java, complete Java, what is the need of J2EE? What is the need of J2ME? Understand my point clearly? No? So that's why what I'm telling to you, J2SE will provide only fundamentals of the Java. Just the basics only. Say for example, if you want to construct a building, some fundamental units we required or not? What fundamental units here we required here? Maybe some cement we required, some concrete we required, iron is required, bricks we required, sand we required. Am I right or not? Like different components we required. And before all this, a particular land space is required. After that, we will start to provide what there? A foundation, a basement we are going to prepare. After the foundation, we will start to prepare what there? Building, constructing building. Yes, sir. I'll forget my point or not. All right. Now in core Java, what we are going to do there, we will gather all the resources what we require to construct the building, and we will prepare only foundation. We will prepare only what their foundation, but we will not construct the total building. If you want to construct the total building, we require J2EE. If you want to prepare an enterprise application, we require what there? J2EE. J2SE will provide only foundation for the Java programming language, just like preparing a basement for a particular building. Yes, sir, got it or not? That's why here I'm telling to you, J2SE will provide only the fundamentals of the Java programming language. Leave it. Then after that, after completion of this, all of you understand it now. With these fundamentals, what we are able to do? If I complete the basement, then what I have to prepare? Over the basement, I can construct a small hut. A small hut, maybe I can construct there, maybe over the basement. Or maybe I can construct a building, two-stair building. Or maybe I can construct what the 10-stair building. Understand it clearly, what I'm telling there. So now get the point is what there. By using these fundamentals of the Java, by using J2SE or by using the fundamentals of the Java, we can prepare one type of applications. We can prepare what there? One type of applications. The type of applications are what? Standalone applications. We're able to prepare what applications there? Standalone applications. Understand the point here, what I'm telling you. So now let me go for the point here. By using J2SE or by using the fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. We are able to prepare what applications there? Standalone applications. Then immediately I am getting a question. Sir, what is this standalone application? What is the meaning of it? Up to now I understood clearly the points here. J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition. That's nice. J2SE will provide only the fundamentals of the Java programming language. Okay. By using fundamentals, we are going to prepare one type of applications. What type of applications here we are able to prepare there? Standalone application. Now get the word, what is standalone application? I'm giving definition to you. Now try to understand this definition clearly. All of you put more concentration. If we design and execute, any application without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over the multiple machines, then that application is called a standalone application. Then that application is called what there? A standalone application. Come again. What is the definition that I've given there? Now tell me. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over the multiple machines, if you prepare and execute any application, then that application is called a standalone application. Indirectly, what I am telling to you, no client server architecture. Okay, no network, no client, no server, no request, no response, no protocol, nothing. A single computer. Without distributing application logic over multiple missions. So no multiple applications. It's a single program in a single computer in a single program. Then that application is called as what there? A standalone application. See the diagrammatically I'm going to provide this punch here. All of you observe carefully. Just diagrammatically here I'm giving this point here. Now try to understand it now. All right, sir. Now just simple. This is my computer, for example, computer or mission. I used to say this is what their a mission. All right, sir. This is like what I'm telling to you, a computer or a mission. Okay, now inside this computer or mission, I'm going to provide a Java application or whatever it may be, anything. In a single mission, we provided this total application. Okay, this is like what their application. Java program or any other, whatever it may be. So this type of application is called as what their standalone application. This application is what their standalone application. To prepare the standalone applications, here we required J2SE. Only J2SE is sufficient to prepare this type of application. Now check it now. Have I provided any client server architecture? In this diagram, have you seen any client server architecture? No client server architecture. Am I right or not? No client server architecture. And have you seen anything like a distribution of the application logic over multiple components? No, or multiple applications? No, no multiple applications, single application. Within the single application, I prepared the total application logic. Got it or not? So this type of applications are called standalone applications. Understand it clearly. Fine, sir. Standalone applications. Leave this part here clearly. After that, I'll give the diagram also inside the document here. Yes. I'll give the diagram also inside the document. Just we will check it clearly. Okay, fine. Yeah, then I'll announce in the last. No problem. All right, sir. Now, all of you observe carefully. If we design and execute any application, Shiva, if we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, what we have to do there? Sorry. Okay. Right. Then that application is called as what there? Then the application is called as like what there? A standalone application. The diagrammatical here we provided clearly. But it's okay, sir. Definition I understood. That's nice. But tell me any example for standalone application. What are the various examples for standalone applications? Now give some examples now. Right. Now I'm going to give some examples to you. Now try to understand these examples here. For example, if we take the computer, if we take my system here so many applications are running now. Say for example, calculator. Calculator is an application or not? Inside my computer, calculator is an see why you're thinking too much about it? Right, sir. Calculator is an application or not? See this. This is an app. This is an application. This is an application. Observe carefully. So this is an application that we are getting, but here we can provide something else like what there. Anything here if we calculate, no, some values here we are getting. This calculator is an application. Now tell me to execute, that means to use this application, do you require any client server architecture? Do you need any remote mission, client mission, or maybe a protocol or request, or do you require any this type of setup? No. Now, how many applications are running internally? A single application is running internally. In how many systems this application is running? In a single computer. Now, at present, it is running in my single computer. So, this is what a standalone application. So, calculator is a simple example here we can understand. Right, sir. Not only this calculator. Okay, fine. Next one is, apart from this, you can think about it. Say, for example, paint. Paint is available. Okay, not only this paint, calendar. Calendar is also an application or not? It is available here. Calendar, right? Calendar is also not required to take what their client server architecture and all the content. Directly here we are able to provide. Calendar is also existed here. We can identify this now. Calendar. Say this. Now we are able to get that calendar app now instead of our content here. Is that got or not? So it doesn't require any client server architecture and all the content here. Directly here we're able to get what there? The calendar application. Leave it now. Paint. Paint in the sense now this is paint here. It is also not required any client server architecture. So paint, right, and so on, and so on, and so on. So many examples here we can take. So these are like what they're examples for standalone applications. Simple examples I'm telling you. Next one is what? After this, after completion of this. Okay, sir. I understood what is standalone application. What are the various examples for standalone application? That's okay, nice. But first of all, tell me, if we take outside situation, how many applications are standalone applications? And outside overall, how many applications are standalone applications? How many applications are standalone applications? If I take this question here, answer I'm giving to you. Now try to understand it clearly. Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Only 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications in outside. If we consider 100 applications in outside, for every 100 applications, only 5 applications are what they're standalone applications. Then immediately we may get one question in our mind. So the standalone applications are only 5% now. Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. So requirement is also be 5%. So opportunities level jobs are only 5%. Now today I'm learning Java for the sake of only 5% of the jobs only. So where is the chance of getting jobs for me? Is that because of only 5% of jobs we are learning Java now? This much of effort is only for the sake of 5%? No. You may get this kind of question, kid. But I'm giving answer to you. Now try to understand it. Just 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Right, sir. Now, what is the answer here? I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. It's a direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is 1000%. Its direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is what there 1000%. Sir, what is this 5% and 1000%? Today we are talking about mathematics, but we are not getting 100%. What is the meaning of it? You may have this kind of question here. Just I'll give some information to you. Now try to understand it clearly. Simple example, understand it now. This type of situation in general is going on in Hyderabad, especially in Amirpet. Assume the situation I'm telling there, but reality, not exactly assumption here. For everybody, this kind of situation is going on. The situation is like what there. For example, if we take a student, an academic student, if we take there, just he completed BTech in somewhere else, but he want to join, he want to get job in the software industry. So somebody else has given suggestions to him. If you want to get job in software industry, first you should know one programming language. So in Hyderabad, Amirpet is a location. Go there, try to learn one course. After that, come to the companies, then you are able to get job. So as per that intention, the student came to Amirpet. Okay, he has very good intention. He want to learn one particular course, but what course he has to learn? Then immediately he inquired for somebody else. He inquired somebody else. What courses can I have to learn to get job immediately? Guys, understand it clearly. What I'm telling there. Maybe you are going to be connected with this story. You may experience the same thing for this story. So he inquired somebody else there. Then what course I should learn? Unfortunately, some other people have given information to him. You can go for any course, but don't learn Java. Don't go for Java. You can learn any course. No issues for it. Then again he inquired there. Some people have given information to him. Are if you don't want to go for Java there, so nowadays testing tools is getting very good demand. Selenium testing, especially, it's getting very good demand. Go and join for Selenium testing class now. Go and join for what there? Selenium testing class. What this innocent student has done there? He inquired for some institutes. Their testing tools course is going on. They went to the testing tools class. They sat inside the class. Trainer came to the class. Then in the demo session, the trainer has given information to him, to all the students. If you want to learn Selenium testing, first you must have knowledge on core Java. You must have knowledge on Java. Then only you can learn that Selenium testing. If you know Java, then only you can continue with me. If you don't know Java, don't continue with me. So this is what exactly the information the trainer has given to all the students. The student thought about it. He thought about it. Arya, then I want to avoid the Java. That's why I came for testing tools class. But unfortunately, The testing tools is depends on what their Java programming language. So I don't like Java now, as per the information there. So I don't like even this testing also. Why? Because testing is dependent on what their Java. So I want to search for an alternative. Again, he came out from the demo class. He inquired again somebody else about the other courses. Please come about the other courses which is not on what their testing, which is not on what their Java. Somebody else has given information to him. If you don't want to go for Java, then better to go with Salesforce is one of the technology nowadays. It's going on there in outside. Try to join with the Salesforce classes. Yes, sir. All of you are following or not? Understand it clearly. It may be some of you might be experiencing the same thing. Somebody else has given guidelines to him, then better to join with the Salesforce classes. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Salesforce classes. Fine. If it is a Salesforce, then immediately this innocent student, what he has done there, again he inquired for some institutes where Salesforce is going on. He found some institute there, then he went to the institute, he attended for demo class. In the demo class, what happened? The trainer has given the total introduction of the Salesforce, and finally he blasts the bomb. What has given there? If you want to learn Salesforce, again you require Java. If you know Java, then only Salesforce is very simple. Otherwise, it's not possible for you to understand Java. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Again, this innocent student, what he has done there? Arey, yaar, what is going on? I came here. I want to learn some technology which is not dependent on what Java, but unfortunately, testing tools I went there, but it is dependent on Java. Now, Salesforce I'm checking there, it is dependent on Java. Even I don't like the Salesforce also. I want to go for an alternative. He came out and again he inquired for some other technology. Some other people have given information to him. Arey, nowadays big data analysis is getting somewhat demand there. Hadoop is one of the technology. Go and join for Hadoop technology, which is not there on the base of Java. Again, he went to the Hadoop classes there, demo classes. Again, he went to the classes where he, in the demo class, the trainer has given the same information. What's that information there? If you want to learn Hadoop, definitely you must know Java programming language. Then only we can understand what their Hadoop. Otherwise, not possible to understand. Yes, sir, got it. What I'm telling there. Again, what is the status of that particular student now? Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? Again, he came out from the demo class. There again, he's searching for some other technology. Somebody else has given suggestion there. Are better to go for what their Android mobile application development. It's a trending nowadays in outside. Everybody required mobile applications nowadays. Then go and join for what their Android classes. Now. Then he went for Android class again, Android demo classes. There also what happened there? If you want to learn Android, definitely we must require what their Java programming knowledge. Finally, he might be decided what he decided there. Arey yaar, without Java, nothing is going to be happen in software industry. Without Java, nothing is going to be happen in software industry. So if you want to learn any technology, SAP related technologies even, that is also dependent on what? Java. He decided totally without Java, nothing is going to be happen here. So first we have to learn Java. After that, we have to go with what there some other technologies. Then after that, he has to come for it. See what is the final story here? I'm telling there. It's a direct utilization. Core Java direct utilization is what there only 5%, but its dependency level is what there 1000%. Why it is dependency level is 1000%? No. Why? Because it is a dependent programming language. It's a dependent programming language for so many technologies and tools. No? What are the various things you know? If you want to learn J2EE technologies, answer my point, you know, to learn and work with J2EE technologies, we required what there? What we required there? J2SE is required. Without having any foundation, is it possible for you to construct a building? Guys, understand it what I'm telling you. Without having any proper foundation, is it possible to construct any building? No, not at all. Not possible to construct any building without having any proper foundation. Sir, all of you are listening my points here, what I'm telling to you. I think some people are very, very good in sleepy mode today now. People are sleeping. What is doing, sir? Fine. It's okay. Not only that person here, almost all the members. See, when people are getting sleeping now, almost all how people behavior is available. They used to sit like this. First eyes are coming close. That means half eyes are coming. Next minute closed. Next minute waving on side. Huh? That's it. It's a very first class. Very first class in our life, maybe Java first class. In the first class itself, we are sleeping there. What is the meaning of it? Hmm? Please wake up. Not like this. Then it's very first class here. Try to understand it clearly. Listen. The content is very important. I'm giving the importance of Java. So the first point, what I'm telling there, it's a direct utilization is only 5% J2SE, but its dependency level is what there 1000%, because it's a dependent programming language for what to learn and work with J2EE technologies. And the second one is what there to learn and work with Selenium testing tool. Selenium is what their testing tool. To work with this, we have to use that to learn and work with the Selenium testing. Okay, right, sir. Then what next one get? To learn and work with what their Salesforce. To learn and work with what their Salesforce. Understand it clearly. Next one is what? After this, to learn and work with what their Hadoop. Hadoop. To learn and work with what their SAP tools. ABAP, HR, or maybe some different tools are available to learn and work with what their SAP tools. Next one is what there to learn and work with what their Android mobile application platform development platform Android, and so on and so on and so on. Only some of them only I listed here. So many things are available. Now tell me, by understanding this point, we can conclude that what we are able to conclude there, J2SE direct utilization is only 5%, but its a dependency level is what there 1000%. All these many things are dependent on what there. All these many things are dependent on what there Java only, J2SE only. That is our core Java only. Without core Java, nothing is going to be happen in software industry. Then immediately you may ask one question to me. You may ask one question to me. Sir, now tell me, nowadays maybe Python is also very good in outside, but you have not included their Python, but Python is also going on in outside. Okay, then how can you say that Java is mandatory for everybody without this Python? But of course, I'm giving the point here. Yes, your thought is right. Python is nowhere related with Java. I'm sure about it. Python is nowhere related with what there Java. I'm sure about it now. But still, there is a connection here. I'm telling to you. What is that connection here? I'm telling to you. Listen carefully. If you know Java, Python is very simple. Python is dead simple. Nothing. No need to prepare even that for that Python. If you know Java. But if you know Python, then if you want to move for Java, not at all possible. It's too much difficult. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? After driving a bus, it is very simple to drive what their bike. After driving bike, if you want to drive a bus, not possible. You must have some experience. Same situation is going to be happen. Nowadays, if we calculate all the Python developers in outside, that almost 99% of the Python developers are previously Java developers only. Nowadays, Python developers are available. That 99% of the Python developers are what they're Java developers only. Understand it clearly. So nothing is there in Python. If you know Java, Python is very simple, dead simple. Even if you're expecting that Python points there along with Java, I can explain what is going to be happen in Python on every topic. Parallelly, we can understand that Python also if you are interested. But anyway, it may take a lot of time here. Not required, not mandatory, but depends on our requirement. I can teach it. And previously, I took the classes now. Previously, I took the Java class and as well as Python classes. I was the faculty in Durgasoft for Python also previously. Where parallel, I've taken the classes there, Python class also now. Where, as per my personal experience, I'm telling there. If you know Java, Python is nothing. Even I took the Python classes without having even a single day practice. Without having single day practice, without preparing single day, directly I took Python classes as with my Java knowledge. So there also we can identify this type of relationship, you know. Okay, fine, whatever it may be. It's not like what there. I'm not deframing or not degrading that Python content here, but Java importance here I'm telling you. Okay, fine. Then immediately people may ask one more question to me now. Sir, is that Python is a replacement for Java? Or Java is a replacement for Python? This type of questions are coming there. My straightforward answer. My straightforward answer is what there? Both are not at all replacements. Java is not replacement for Python. Python is not replacement for what there? Java. Java track is different. Python track is different. What is Java track actually? What is this Java track actually? Java is meant for enterprise application development. A bank application I want to prepare. Java is a good technology. An insurance based application I want to prepare. Java is a good technology. Aerospace application I want to prepare. Java is a good technology. Might be health domain applications I want to prepare. Java is a good technology. But I want to analyze the data. Data analysis I want to use. Where data science is required, for the data science, Python is required. I want to go for some machine learning kind of applications where data science is required, where Python is required. Python is meant for what there? Data analysis. Data analysis, not for enterprise application. But Java is meant for what there? Enterprise application development. So both are in two different tracks. We can identify this. Railway tracks are available. Both are straight line. Both are opposite, a straight line. In the same way, at one side Java, at other side is what there? Python kernel. But still, at present, the moment is what there? Java is an upper edge. Java is having somewhat upper hand when compared with what there? Python kernel. Observe carefully. When data science is good, Python is good. When data science is not good, Python is not good. But Java doesn't have any such kind of situations. The situation may be anything in outside here, but Java is always in what there? Upper hand only. Java is always in what there? Upper hand only. Think about it. What I'm telling you. Right, sir. That's okay, fine. This is exactly the point about like what there? J2SE. Guys, now tell me, all of you know, all of you now tell me, how many parts are available in Java? Three parts. What are the three parts in Java? J2SE, J2EE, then what next one? J2ME. I given some information about J2SE. What information I given there? J2SE or Java SE is what there? Java 2 standard edition. Next one is what there? J2SE will provide only the fundamentals of the Java programming language. Next one is what there? By using J2SE or by using the fundamentals of Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a standalone application. Example, that means diagrammatic representation here I have given there. Now try to understand this diagram also there clearly. All right, sir. Now here at the end here I said I want to give this diagram. Now here I have given the diagram also. Don't worry. All right, sir. Now move on to the punch here. Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Its direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is what there? 1000%, because it is a dependent programming language for is a dependent programming language to learn is a dependent programming language to learn and work with J2SE, J2EE technologies, to learn and work with Selenium, Salesforce, Hadoop, SAP tools, Android, and so on. Due to this reason, we can conclude that its a direct utilization is 5%, but it's indirectly, it's a dependency level is what there? 1000% here we can understand. Got or not? So these are the various points here we understood clearly. Okay. Then what are the remaining two things here? We can understand it clearly. J2EE and J2ME. J2EE and what next one? J2ME. This diagram is not yet completed. After completion of this diagram, I'll provide at a time this diagram with you. First of all, let me create a separate folder for the sake of your applications. All right, 1 minute. Right, so full stack Java 430. Core Java. Yeah, there I'm going to give it. This is introduction. Yeah, it's okay. Later on I'll give the diagram also there. Right, sir. The remaining part is what there. I need to talk about J2EE and J2ME. This information here I have to talk there. It's okay. I will discuss about this topic in the next class. Don't worry for it. But the 15 minutes of time I want to talk with regarding our content here. Now try to understand it now. Very first time we are coming to this institute regarding this demo class here. What exactly the advantages of this course? What exactly the advantages you are able to get with these courses? All of you observe carefully. All right, so then the very first one here, I'm telling to you. And one more thing, these advantages and everything only in the demo class only we are going to see that one time only commitment. Next every moment we are going to think about what there Java. Now observe carefully. First of all, the very first advantage what you are able to get, every class is being recorded here. Then every class recordings will be shared with you through Google Drive. So that recordings will be available for you up to 1 year of time officially. But of course, more than 1 year also we are able to get it. So it's not like any condition here up to 1 year of time, more than 1 year. But from which point onward that 1 year of time, not from today. After completion of your course, then we can count it what there up to 1 year of time we are able to get. Officially we are saying that, but more than that 1 year also we are able to have this video support. Every class video support. In entire IDBAT only Durgasoft is providing this support. Direct video support for everybody. Okay. So multiple advantages are available with this video support. For example, if you are not attending any one class in the middle, but next class is dependent on the previous class. If I am not providing this video support to you, if you come to the class, next class directly, you'll not understand anything. You may get confusion. One or two classes are giving confusion there. The remaining part of the course is also be confusion for you. To avoid this kind of problems, what we are doing there, I'm giving video support. After completion of this class, within 1 hour, that video will be available to your drive. Drive in the sense through Google Drive access only. So we can watch it, we can play it, and we can watch it. 24/7 that videos are available. We can watch it and we can play it. This is one advantage. For example, unexpectedly, you have to leave from Hyderabad. You have to go for your hometown. Total, you want to, but you unable to attend for these classes. In the case, for example, there you are not going to stop your classes there. As you are providing that video support, at least through videos, we can complete your courses there. You can finish your courses there. At any cost, your course is not going to be stopped. You are going to finish your course at any cost. That's the main advantage what you are able to get it. Fine. Next one is what for this. All my classes materials in the form of hard copy. Of course, that hard copy is chargeable. Like on bind is available for each and every topic there. For core Java, might be that binds are available there. There's a hard copy in the sense a bit chargeable. Just we can negotiate our office there. And for offline students and a soft copy for both offline and online students. I said to you already, we are going to provide some video support to you. In the same location, we are going to upload our soft copy material also. Not this classroom notes here, separately. PDF file is available. We'll upload that. That is downloadable. The soft copy material is downloadable, not videos. Videos are not in downloadable. Only material is downloadable. We can download it, we can use it, or else we can open in the same browser. That's it. We can watch that content there. Depends on our requirement. Next one is what there. Free access to the classroom notes. Yes, just now I given some link to you. Whatever the application here we provided. Free access to the classroom notes. Free access to the classroom applications. Whatever the applications I'm going to prepare inside the class, that every application is going to be provided to you. Definitely we are able to get that application also clearly. Next one is all applications are live application development only. What is the meaning of this live application development now? Requirements, I'll explain the topic with you. With respect to the topic, I will explain the syntaxes. I will explain the programming. I will take a requirement in front of you. I will type the program in front of you. I will compile the program in front of you. If we get any compilation error, I will explain to you why we are getting that compilation error. How to resolve that compilation error. In general, you are not aware about it. 50 to 60% of the subject you are going to learn from errors only. I'll write the program. Intentionally, I will create some errors inside the program. I will show that error messages. How to resolve the errors. What solutions we are going to implement in our program to come out from the errors. That approach also I am going to take number of times. There also we are going to learn the subject effectively. Observe carefully. After this, after completion of this, in the classroom itself, I am going to execute the program. When we execute the program, number of exceptions here we are able to get. Number of exceptions here we are able to get. How to resolve that exceptions. What we are going to provide the solution for that exceptions. Everything we are going to see inside the classroom here now. All right, sir. Next one is watch. Yeah. At the end of the courses, you are able to get a course completion certificate with the Durgasoft brand, with the Durgasoft logo, with my signature directly. Course completion certificate we are able to get. That we can show in the interviews also. We can utilize the Durgasoft brand also, right? Next one is watch. Yeah, this is another important thing what we are providing here. At present, a little bit dry season is going on in outside here, but not at least immediately. Observe carefully. At least in the future, like what I'm telling to you, maybe I'm thinking about it next March or April onwards again, that the software industry is going to be very good. Again, the moment will come back. But at present, somewhat dryness is going on here. So, but behalf of Durgasoft, so what we are doing there, we are not conducting any job guarantee program. We are not conducting any consultancy kind of things. Part of the service, we are going to invite number of companies to come here to conduct the campus drives. In our colleges, campus recruitments are going on. It's an open platform for every student of that college. Same thing we are going to implement. We are not going to collect even a single NP for the sake of placements. We are against for that particular process. It's a part of the service. If you join for courses at Durgasoft here, automatically by default you are eligible for that particular service. We are going to invite companies here to come here to conduct the written days or maybe to conduct the campus drives. Definitely companies will come, they will conduct it. We are going to process that companies. As of now, 50 companies are available with me, but the season is not good. That's why we are not getting frequently the companies there. But previously, maybe at least maybe 7 to 8 months back, we had number of companies drives here in Durgasoft also now. But during this time, the situation is somewhat different. Maybe in the next March or April onwards again, we are going to see that kind of environment. But anyway, we are able to get like what their companies drives also. But at the same time, we are not believing that what their job guarantee program. We are not conducting job guarantee program. Why, sir? Why you are not conducting job guarantee program? Don't you have trust on your subject? You may ask this question. But understand my point here. A simple point, a simple philosophy. A simple philosophy. What I'm thinking about job guarantee program, it's very simple. I'm teaching Java. You are listening Java. If you want to get job, what is my participation and what is your participation to get your job? Just think a minute about it. I strongly believe it in this point. My participation is only 30%. Your participation must be 70%. I'm going to teach Java common to everybody. From my side, no partiality, no specification for any particular person. Common subject, commonly for every student. But remaining work must come from whom? The students must work. If you work more, then only we will get job. If you are not working for it, you will not get job. So the factor is dependent on you. The factor is on the top of your head. So on the base of your 70% of the work, how I can give guarantee? No? Understand it? For example, in my classes, in other batches, no, minimum 300 members are used to sit inside my classes there. For example, not in this class, 300 members are available. How can you expect that I'm going to provide the job for all 300 members? No, is a blaming kind of thing or not? How it is possible? If I conduct any job guarantee program, then if I take admission with the job guarantee program, how it is possible for me to provide 300 jobs for each and every batch? Every day 8 batches are running parallelly. How it is possible? No, I'm not believing in this particular. Moreover, when we are able to get job, when you work hard, then only you are able to get job. If you are not working on it, how can you expect the job? How can you get the job? Without having any work, are you dependent on me? So that's why I'm not believing in the job guarantee program. But more what I'm believing there, I'm going to believe on content guarantee program, subject guarantee program. Quality subject I need to provide. If I deliver quality subject, automatically we are going to get job. Because of this reason only, in my classes, 80% is the success rate. Now, yesterday I got a message from one of my 10 o'clock batch student now. Recently started the 10 o'clock batch there. Core Java is in the middle. He got job in HCL Technologies at Bangalore. His salary is also 62,000. Understand it clearly. No? So that is the way. Then if I give quality, automatically students are able to get quality. They're able to get jobs in the same way. But without having your work, how I can give guarantee for it? No? This is a simple philosophy what I'm following here. That's why I'm not conducting any such kind of like what there, the job guarantee programs and all this content. Anyway, just at some other time I will talk more about it. How the market is moving on the base of this particular punch here. No, we are total against for it. Only the principle is what there. As long as we have to give the subject quality subject, as long as students must get the quality subject, As long as students are getting subject, automatically they are going to get the jobs in outside. My classes success rate is what there 80%. For every 100 members, 80 members are used to get the job. Maybe 2 to 3 months before or 2 to 3 months later. But my primary responsibility is what there. I must teach quality subject. That's the point here. We have to understand clearly. Okay, sir. Good. I said to you already, I'm not going to conduct any job guarantee program, but I will make you ready to for jobs. I'll make you ready for what their jobs. Part of it, I'm going to take some events. What are the events I'm going to conduct there? Part of it, no. On every topic, I'm going to conduct written tests. Core Java, if a complete introduction part, immediately we have to appear for one written test on it. I will evaluate papers. I'll display the marks also. Answer my point here. In Core Java itself, almost 10 to 15 tests we have to appear. In Core Java itself, nearly 15, minimum, I think so, minimum 15, more than 15, we have to appear for the test. Understand it, Keno? So self-evaluation is going to be happen. There we can understand where we are and what we are. Okay, leave it. At the end of the course, not immediately, at the end of the course, if it is possible, I will conduct mock interviews. Mock interviews in the sense, just I'm going to make you to ready for what their interviews. I'm going to give some tips to you how to prepare for interviews. Personally, I'm going to take that interviews if it is possible, not immediately at the end of the course. Okay, right, sir. The remaining part is somewhat technical, working with multiple databases, working with multiple servers, working with multiple IDs. Especially, we are going to use IDs part here, not Edit Plus. Edit Plus is for introduction programming only, starting programming only, right? But once we started our programming effectively, IDs only we are going to use there. Why? Because in the companies you are going to use what their IDs only. Okay, right, sir. Interview questions is the part of the course. When a particular topic I'm discussing there, on that particular topic, what questions are coming there, I'll give that questions and answers inside the classroom itself, along with our regular notes. So part of the course, automatically we are going to complete what their interview questions clearly. Okay, fine. Right, what versions here we are going to understand there? Up to the Java 20th version in core Java, up to 20th version we are going to discuss. No second thought of it, no compromise for it. Up to Java 20th version we are going to understand in our classes. Okay, fine. All right, sir. Then apart from this, apart from all these advantages now, another part here I'm telling to you. 1 minute, sir. Right. What courses we are offering from Durgasoft with respect to the Java? What courses we are offering with respect to the Java behalf of Durgasoft? Only core Java. If you want to join, yes, today is the class for it. Basic Java package. There, core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, basic UI. Basic UI in the sense HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery. These 5 courses are going to be available. This is one package, basic Java package. Complete Java package. What we are going to have there? Core Java, Advanced Java, frameworks, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle and basic UI. This is like what their complete Java package. Full stack Java. This is the trending now nowadays. Every company is looking for full stack Java only. All these are only we provided these packages actually in outside environment full stack Java only. No other courses here. Totally full stack Java. Inside this full stack Java, what we are going to understand this. All right, sir. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, Oracle Basic UI, Angular or React. Either of this one thing here we are going to take. But in general, people are going to take at present is what they are. React JS only, Linux, AWS, DevOps, testing tools. Almost all. Then 14 to 15 subjects are going to be available in a full stack Java. Nowadays, everybody is looking for what their full stack Java only. Not only here, every company is looking for what their full stack Java. Even institutes are also be conducting that full stack Java is the course here. But for the sake of the students of flexibility, we are conducting these many batches actually, these many packages here. But actual package is what their full stack Java. All right, sir. Out of all these things, what is my participation? What subjects I am going to teach part of this full stack Java? The total full stack Java is not possible with a single trainer. I'm sure about it. How it is possible to teach that 15 subjects? No? Even though I aware about each and every topic there, but how it is possible there? So that's why here what we are planning there. Java related parts, right from core Java to web services. The total Java related parts, I will take the responsibility. The complete Java related parts, I will take the responsibility. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Right from core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, web services, this total parts, I will take the responsibility. Remaining concepts, some experts or trainers are available at Durgasoft. They will take the remaining classes there. Of course, Oracle, Basic UI, Angular or React JS, Linux, AWS, DevOps, testing tools. These are taken by, these are from what there, some other trainers care. But up to know, like what I'm telling there, the total Java related part, I will take the responsibility. I will teach the total content. Yeah, with effectively with a very good content. No second thought of it. More quality, more content care we are going to take. Yes, sir. Got it? What I'm telling you know clearly. Okay, fine. So these are the various courses here we are having. So these are the durations also. But full stack Java, definitely we have to take minimum 7 to 8 months of time. But parallelly we have to attend some classes. I'll give the roadmap again here. How to proceed for this full stack Java? What courses at what time we have to learn? All the points here. We are going to understand like what there. We are going to understand on movement when we are moving on to the content here. I'll give some roadmap to you. What courses at what time we have to learn. Everything I'm going to provide to you clearly. Okay, then this is the courses information what you are having there. We can identify this. So these are the various advantages of this. But in the introduction part, just only I completed J to SC part only, basic information only. But remaining two more parts are available that I will discuss with you clearly. Okay, right, sir. Then tomorrow is a Saturday actually. Then no problem. And tomorrow I'm going to take class. We can attend for the class. Today and tomorrow are the demo classes here. On Sunday anyway, first Sunday I'm going to give gap there, but few Sundays here I'm going to give gap there. And one more point I need to specify to you clearly. So per week, how many days we are going to work actually? At a startup mode of your batches now, maybe next to 2 to 3 weeks or 4 weeks of time. First 1 month of time, classes from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday are what their working days. Okay, at this moment, if you are in, that means core Java, I started there. 4:30 to 6 is the timing here I'm following for this core Java. Yes, sir. All of you get my point now. All right, sir. Later on, other courses here, if I'm going to take now, other courses when I'm going to start there, other slots here I'm going to use. But every slot is what there, 1.5 hour class here. Please remember this point here. This core Java is what there, 1.5 hour. All my classes are what there, 1.5 hour. When we are completing some part of the core Java, at least half of the core Java if I complete, no, then I will start what there, advanced Java. When we are in middle of the advanced Java, we may complete core Java. In place of core Java, we will start frameworks. So Java related, two slots we have to assign. Two slots I'm going to take every day. For Java, whatever the subjects here I'm telling to you, these many things, whatever the subjects here I'm going to teach there, this part, this total part here, I will take two slots, but not immediately. Up to half of the core Java I have to complete, then only I'm going to start one more slot. For Java, two slots. Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Framework, Hibernate. Next one is Spring Boot, microservices, web services. Like this, I'm going to take. Meanwhile, we have to complete other courses in other timings there. Morning 7 o'clock to night 9 o'clock. Courses are going to be started here, one by one, one by one, one by one. Then we can attend for the courses in our convenience time. We can attend for the courses in our comfortable time. Understand it, what I'm telling you know. But my sincere advice is what there. If you want to go for full stack Java, my sincere advice is what there. Evening time we can assign time for what there only learning classes. Morning time we can assign time for what there practice. Understand guys what I'm telling you know. If you want to go for the full stack Java, evening 3 o'clock onwards, we can go for what there only classes continuously. 4 classes or 5 classes we can put one after another. Okay, 4 classes like this we can give there. Morning time totally we can prepare forward there. We can assign time forward there preparation practice. That's it. This approach if you follow no effectively we are going to understand it. Otherwise 2 classes at morning, 2 classes at evening if you follow there, what is going to be happen? Do you know that? Just you are going to think always how to come for institute and how to complete the course and how to go back to your home. That's it. You are not going to have any time to practice. If you put 2 classes at morning, 2 classes, this is my advice only, not mandatory. Still, if you want to go for that, so few class at morning, few class at evening, no, just go ahead, no issues for it. But my plan I'm telling you, know. But as per our view, we can go for our own plan there. But the thing is what there, my classes will be available here. 2 slots I'm going to take side by side, but not immediately. After completion of half of the core Java, I'll start like what there, second slot for what there, advanced Java. Within these 2 slots, I will complete my Java related part. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? What I'm telling you clearly. Okay, fine. Right, sir. Now this is somewhat information. Tomorrow also we can use the same class here, same time we can come there. Tomorrow also we are going to understand the content here. Now. And one more small intimation here. Our admin people have given that. But actually, I don't like to talk money-related things inside the classes now. The relation between you and me is what there, Java only, not like currency notes. I don't like that option there. But our admin people have given some information. It may be benefit to you. That's why I'm giving this type of announcement there. So they are giving some offers in both offline and as well as in what they're online. They're giving money point of view, some offers. Might be today and tomorrow some offer is going on. One time go to our office there, talk with our admin people, they'll give more clarity. Guys, observe carefully. I think in full stack Java, they're giving some type of offers there. Just try to talk with them. They're able to give more clarity. What I'm telling you now. Okay, fine. And one more thing here I'm telling to you guys. All right, sir. Now, yeah. Here, mobile numbers, contact details are available inside this link. We can use this to talk with our admin people. Okay. All right. That's okay. Right, guys, that's all for today. Then just as an overview are given there, but tomorrow also we have session. Tomorrow I will start technical content directly. Without failure, try to attend for tomorrow's class. There we are able to get clarity. But meanwhile, before that, what I'm telling there, go to our office and try to talk something about it. Some offers are going on, but I don't like to announce about this money related things inside the classroom there. Better to go with our office and try to talk with them. They will give more clarity on it. Okay. That offer is going on today and tomorrow only. That means maybe and tomorrow is a maximum. Just try to inquire about it at our office there. Okay. That's all, guys. That's all for today. I'll meet you tomorrow. Right? Will you come at tomorrow? Even though it is a Saturday, no problem. I'm ready to take the classes here. Try to come for the class. We'll move forward. I'm going to give more details about our course, and we are going to start technical part on tomorrow directly. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you for your attending demo. Thank you. As guys, those who are attending in online, if you want to talk about our admin people there regarding these online classes, no, just contact with this number, guys, and our admin people will give more clarity on this one. I think some offers are going on here. What offers? No, the full stack Java actual cost is like more than 50,000, but our admin people are going to give within 40,000. Might be is a benefit. That's why I'm giving this type of announcement to you. Otherwise, I don't have any other intention here. Just we can talk with our admin people regarding this one. Okay. This number, we can take this number, we can talk with our admin people there. They're able to provide some details about this money and all this content. Okay. Okay. Yeah, guys, this we can take this number, we can talk with our admin people there. They will give more clarity on this content. Okay. Guys, all of you are okay? Yeah. Then will it take small projects for core Java and practice examples? Definitely. Definitely, we are going to see some kind of examples. Sure. Don't worry. Same link tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is the same link, guys. It's okay. Yeah, we shall. Just our team will be in touch with you regarding this. Don't worry. No, no. For machine learning, mainly for what they Python, mainly for Python. But possibilities are available to use Java, but setup is not good. Python only here we have to take. So I'm from Europe. Will be there. Be suitable practice sessions in morning. So as of now, no. But it may take some time. After a few months of time, we are going to start at morning time, 7 o'clock. But at present, this time only here we are going to follow. We shall Europe at what? What is the time there at present? We shall. Yeah, that's nice. Nice. And yeah, we can continue with this one. We have 4.5 hours back. Okay, fine. No issues. Yeah, we can continue with these classes. Don't worry. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah, our admin will be in touch with you regarding this content here. I have done core Java by Durga sir. Nice from YouTube. So can I join advanced Java directly? No. Yeah, that is old technology, guys. Then that Durga sir is okay, coach. Is a good trainer. But the point is what? It is a old technology. Up to Java 8 and 9 only he might be taught there. But in our classes up to Java 20. Yeah, depends on your view. Just we can take the decision. But my advice is like this. Okay, fine. Try to check this. Yeah. Yeah, per day depends on per day how much time we have to attend for the classes. And that depends on the package what you are going to take. But my classes, core Java, only core Java, 1.5 hour. Second slot, I'm going to start there for advanced Java. Sure. The second slot, I will start for what there, advanced Java, but not immediately. At least after 45 days to 2 months of time, I'm going to start advanced Java classes there. But up to the time, only 1.5 hour class here we have to attend. Okay. Shamshir, got it? What I'm telling to you. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, then have another class, and thank you for attending this demo class. Then don't worry, tomorrow I will give some time for you to talk with you regarding this recorded class. Which timing we will get within 1 hour after completion of this class. Within 1 hour we will get recorded sessions, guys. Videos and everything will be provided to you within 1 hour after completion of the class every day. You are able to get that videos. Okay, Karthik. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll give some. Do you suggest to us what class we should take parallel? Yeah, Shamshir, I will give the roadmap on tomorrow. So tomorrow I will talk about the same thing. Attend for tomorrow's class, then I'll give the clear-cut roadmap. It may take some time anyway to explain that. I'll give the total roadmap to you on tomorrow. How to start, and what we have to start, and everything. I'll give that information with you tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll meet you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll talk more about this content. Thank you, guys. Then once again, I'm telling to you. Actual full stack Java is a 50,000, but today and tomorrow there's an offer for it, and we are able to get it within 40,000. That is an announcement, Chandran, what I'm trying to say. But anyway, I don't like to talk about this money related things inside the classes, but it may be a benefit to you. Then try to think about it. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Then better to communicate with this number. Our admin people will be in touch with you regarding this number only. This is my online classes number. So directly we can contact. We can send WhatsApp message to this number. Our admin people will be in touch with you. They will give more information about it. All the details. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Fine. Yeah. Take this number, guys. All of you take this number. Okay. Thanks a lot.